Hi. Yes, I'm outside. So, I wasn't in the best mood today, so I decided to bike outside and knit a top. Yep. I haven't knitted in years, but I saw someone on TikTok. Wow, TikTok really do be my inspiration lately. I saw someone on TikTok make a knitted top that looked honestly really nice. So I was like, hey, it's really simple. It's just making a bunch of rectangles. Why not try that? Yes, this is very interesting colors to choose, but I didn't want to go out and buy new yarn. I think I got a little carried away at how long I wanted this. Looks kind of nice, doesn't it? Is your finger? This looks nice, right?
Wait, what is this for?
For the top.
No, the filming. For what?
For my YouTube video.
Oh, okay.
For knitting my own top.
Knitting my own top.
I think I want a solid color, but I really like that red. But I just don't know if I could do red.
You can try red, but you just get two.
I could get two.
I'll just get two.
Cause I'm gonna knit more stuff probably.
Yeah,
Should I
just
get
get
white?
two. Just get two.
Should I get white?
If you want white, get three.
That's a nice peach color. That's a nice color.
That's something
That's something you'd wear. I'm so sorry. I'm really thinking.
You just tried to see if it matched.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm gonna flex for it. Wait.
Oh wow, so beefy.
Or that pink. That pink looks kind of nice.
That is a nice pink.
That looks pretty nice. Maybe I'll take that one.
Oh
Maybe I'll just take these two. I'll take these two.
Okay, take those two. Let's go. I'm getting away from the yarn.
Hello, I am back, and I'm back with new yarn, and I'm just starting all over again. Yay! I went to Michael's to get new yarn that looks a little nicer, and I think I'm gonna go with this color. Am I gonna go with this color? I don't know. Wait. I'm back. But listen, look. Does this not look like a nice color? It does, right? It's like a nice cream color, but this is like a nice rose, soft rose. Heather. I don't know. Literally the most indecisive person ever. This is a nice color. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, it is decided. I am just going to cast this on. Let's hope this all works out and I don't restart again. So I've got my knitting needle. I'm just going to tie. I know I said a slip knot last time. And then tighten. I mean, it looks exactly like a knot. And then I'm just gonna... Okay, last time I did way too many rows. I said I did up to this much, but when I started knitting, it was way longer than the knitting needle. And honestly, if I'm gonna make a top, I want it cropped. So I might just do 30 to 40 stitches. 40 might be pushing it, not going too high. My other one had like 90. Did I count 90? It was way too many. That would have gone past my hips if it was 90 stitches. Oh yeah, and this is my like casting on technique. I don't know if this is properly how you do it, but what I used to do was just put my finger like this and then tighten and then keep going, like wrap it around your finger and then put your knitting needles through the loop and like pull it. But I don't know if that's it. Like that's how I always did it. I just cast it on with my finger thing technique and I'm gonna do 30 of these. I'm just gonna try it. 30 sounds like a good amount. Let's start. Also, another tip is that I'm pretty sure for this way when I'm casting on, since I only did like a knot at the end, this doesn't count as a stitch, so you want to make one more extra. So for here I've just got 31 and I'm actually gonna start now. Oh my god. I cast it on. I'm kind of counting. Wait. I have 31. I'm just gonna keep doing this and let's keep going, shall we? Yes. Okay, great. Now I'm basically almost done. I've started casting off. We've got the finished edge. Basically, I just knit 2 stitches, pull the first one on the bottom over the second stitch and off of the needle. Ooh, now you're left with 1 again. And then you stitch 1 more, so you have 2 on one side, like this. And then you pull the bottom one over, and then you're left with 1 more. Thing is, I don't really know what to do when it comes to the last one, so I'm gonna quickly just search this up on YouTube. Haha. Bring my stitch over. Yay! Oh my god! Did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Did it! Did it! Oh my god! Yay! Finally. So now I've chosen that I want this side to be the good side showing. I have this like long string from when I first started, and I think I'm just gonna use this to sew this all together so it's a tube top, and then we can add the straps and then we'll be done. So what I decided to do was just use my needle to make holes that were already kind of open along the edges, like a little wire, and just thread the string through. So I've done that to both sides. I'm just gonna pull a little taut and then just keep going all the way down. Let's just keep going. It's working. We got it. Okay, I've finished the tube top portion, and honestly, I actually don't own a tube top, but this looks kind of interesting. There are so many kids outside. Wait. Ta-da! I mean, yeah, that's what I was going for. And then I can do the straps, and then I'll be finished. I'm sorry, I'm just giggling because I'm very proud that it actually turned out okay, even though I'm not done yet. But so far, it's turned out pretty well. And the rest of it should be pretty easy. We're on our way. Yay!
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Fly one, smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking like, look like art. Look like art. Look like art.
Oh. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. You know what? I'm glad this worked out because I was worried this wasn't even gonna work in the first place, but we did it, and I still need to work on my knitting skills, but it's okay. Maybe you guys can try making your own too, and you know, if you wanna, you can click the red button that says subscribe and maybe put a like. Oh, I don't like doing this. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye!
Wake up every morning like it's Friday. No, don't be looking at me sideways. You can get your friends, it's a party.